What? Hey, this is Dave Ferreira from Fortified Realty Group, and today we're at 392 Hooper Street, a three-family in Tiverton, Rhode Island. We just saw the bathroom. Here's the kitchen of the third floor unit. Nice cathedral ceiling, big kitchen, back out to the living room. This bedroom is giant with a big walk-in closet off of it. Coming back around, second bedroom, good sized room. And then the last room over here could be a bedroom or a closet. Now we're on the second floor unit. All right, this one's three bedrooms. One of them's inside the other. Here's the bathroom right underneath the other one. First floor unit is almost the same layout as this one. Kitchen, nice, decent. Coming around, first bedroom, good sized bedroom. Back out to the living room, second bedroom, and then the third bedroom is off of it, as you can see here. Swing back around, that same closet will be to the left, and there we are.